Hello, my lovely readers. Today we are going to read a super fun Cocomelon magnet book. Look who's here, JJ and all his friends. Let's open it together. Wow! Look at these colorful magnets. We have JJ, Cody, Cece, TomTom, Yo-Yo, Nina, Bella, and Nico. In here is missing. Sorry. And more friends. They all come in this cute little magnet tray. Here, this is magnet. It will not fall when we keep our book like this. Here's JJ and here is Cody. Look at Cece with a cute dress. Oh, Bella is so pretty. Let's take them out one by one and read this our book. Here JJ, Cody, Cece, TomTom, Yo-Yo, Nina, and Bella, but I lost one. It's Nico. Like that, we can keep our friends in their classroom like this. Learning is fun. The children enjoy going to nursery together. Oops, what will they learn in the classroom in this morning? Let's figure out. We'll go back to our next page. Playtime! JJ and his friends love playing in the playground. Who will hose down the slide? Let's figure out. JJ is down and Cody is here. Let's see. All the friends are here to play. Let's turn the other page. Let's explore. It's fun to play outside in the fresh air. What game will they play at the campsite? We can see here our little darling friends and enjoying their time at the camp. Alright, we'll go to next page. Enjoy the sunshine. Let's all have a splashy time on the beach. What will the children build in the sand? Yeah, they are going to make a castle here. We can see all of our friends are here. Let's turn the other page. Oops, time to rest. JJ loves playing at home in his bedroom. JJ has had such a busy day with his friends, so he is going to sleep now. Now let's match JJ inside the book. Where should Cody go? Can you help me to find Nina's place? Let's see. JJ is here And Bella is here. Yeah, I think. And Cece is not. This is Nina. Nina is here. Yo-Yo here. Cody here. Cece here. And TomTom in here. Yay! We matched everyone. This magnet book is so fun for learning and play. Which character do you like the most? Tell me. Goodbye from your Cocomelon friends. Hello, my little readers. Welcome. Today I brought you Cocomelon bird song. Let's sing. Sing along with JJ and his family. I jump in the bathtub. It's time to get all clean. I'll be the cleanest kid you have ever seen. The soap and the bubbles are filling up the tub. So I jump in the water and scrub. Wash my hair, do 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 do. Wash my hair, do 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 do. Wash my hair, do 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 do. Wash my hair. Wash my face, do 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 do. Wash my face, do 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 do. Wash my face, do 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 do. Wash my face. Wash my arms, do 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 do. Wash my arms, do 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 do. Wash my arms, do 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 do. Wash my arms. Wash my hands, do 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 do. Wash my hands, do 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 do. Wash my hands, do 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 do. Wash my hands. Wash my knees, do 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 do. Wash my knees, do 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 do. Wash my knees, do 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 do. Wash my knees. Wash my toes, do 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 do. Wash my toes, do 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 do. Wash my stuff, do 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 do. Wash my toes. I'm all clean. Let's see you again with another beautiful song. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.